Parang maingay yun. Ulitin ko ba? Hoy mga Becky! Ang ingay nyo! Go! Hi guys! Welcome to my flawless shoot. So, hindi lang ako fierce ngayon. Flawless na rin ako. I'm so excited for you guys to see the photos. I'm working with a great team. Yung favorite team ko kinuha ng flawless. So, everything went so well and the team's super saya.
Don't stop.
Main reason why I started this vlog is that parang I felt like I was misunderstood. People would always write different things. I felt like I was parang bigger or a more complicated character than how they would depict me and issues and write-ups. So I decided na parang, hey, I want naman people to know who I really am. When I started writing for a blog, it's like I'm making chismisan with my Becky friends lang.
Yeah.
And that's how people got to know me, because I would treat them like how I would treat my closest friends. So like, I would share things there that I would usually call my closest friends, like Jake, like, oh my God, may bago akong na-discover na pampaganda. So I would share it with my blog the same way I would tell them. So I guess people got to know me better that way. Para na kaming friends. And when I see them, I get excited kasi every day na lang of my life, I'm writing something, I'm sharing something to them. Twitter kasi is very particular about spelling, grammar. I'm like, you know, naintindihan mo yung sinulat ko. So sabi niya, yeah, it's wrong. Oh, alam mo ngang wrong eh, pero naintindihan mo, so okay na yan. Now I'm quite busy with Juicy and Extreme Makeover, and we're also doing, of course, tuloy pa rin yung mga charity programs namin in CDO and the victims of Ondoy. So yun, I'm more focused on that. But other than that, I'm starting a full website. So now that will have a Divine Mall. So may mga ganun ang aspect.
Let's go. You have no control. I said, oh, wanna know. Don't stop.
I'm a very busy person. So I don't have the time to set an appointment, all those things. I like the idea na when I go to the mall, ayun na, pasok na, treatment na, and then I can go back to work. I really love the sunblock, number one. Kasi like, especially with my show, Extreme Makeover, I'm under the sun. Personally, I never go to sleep with makeup on. Ever. So it's always clean. That's why I have white sheets. Para talagang mapilitan ako maghugas ng mukha every night.
Baby, I won't bite, but you're playing by my rules. Let's go. You have no control. I said, oh, wanna know.
Hey guys, nahanap ko na yung matagal nating hinahanap sa mga sumpa na tinatawag natin. You know, lahat naman tayo may sumpa at one point or another. You know, mga chicken pox, stretch marks sa mga rock and roll mommies natin. And of course, yung mga acne scars, yung mga sumpa natin from high school na hanggang ngayon kino-concealer pa natin. Wala na yan, mawawala lahat yan because of crack and roll. So, you guys better check it out. Ako, na-try ko na siya and aminin, talagang nawala yung mga things na dati ko pang kailangan i-concealer. But now, may solusyon na siya. It's in Flawless. So, you can check out my blog, divineemily.com, and doon may kita nyo yung Flawless banners, or you can go straight to their Facebook. It's Flawless Face and Body, or for their Twitter, @myflawless. So, we will be giving away a lot of things para sa mga sumpa, acne, stretch mark, everything. Lahat ng problema nyo, may solusyon yan. So, follow na.